Hello students, welcome to tutoringcluster.com. Now in this video we are going to talk about one very important property, that is machinability. Now what do you mean by a machinability? First thing, now whatever operations, okay, you must be aware about different manufacturing processes. So there one process comes, that is machining process. Okay, so basically machining means what? It's a removal of material. So whatever different operations which we are performing on lathe machine, drilling machine or milling machine, okay, these are all machining processes. Okay, now if any material, if it is easy to machine, now one question may come, that how we can measure the machinability. See, while machining, if forces required are less, okay, if force required as well as the power required, power consumption we can say, if it is less, that means that material, it is easy to machine. Now if material is easy to machine, that means its machinability is good. Okay, so hope you have understood the term machinability. Now we know this percentage of carbon scale. Okay, you must be aware now completely that what is the percentage of carbon in steel and what is the percentage of carbon in cast iron. So we also know that if you are going from left to right, percentage of carbon increases, and in the previous video we have talked about hardness. So if percentage of carbon increases, that means hardness and brittleness both increases, right? This thing we have seen in the previous video. Now suppose the material is hard. So can I say if material is hard, it is difficult to machine? That means its machinability is difficult. Okay, that means its machinability is poor. Okay, see, if material is hard and brittle, obviously the machining of such material is difficult. Machining is difficult. If machining is difficult, it implies its machinability is not good or machinability is poor. Okay, so we know that out of all these material, cast iron exhibit more hard and brittle properties due to high carbon content. So that's why cast iron are difficult to machine. So we can say the machinability of cast iron is poor. Okay, what is the reason? If percentage of carbon is more, that means material is going to be more harder and brittle, so its machinability is going to be poor. So out of all these material, cast iron, it has poor machinability, while iron, its machinability is going to be very good, because in iron we don't have the percentage of carbon, so there is no question of hardness and brittleness. Obviously iron, it is a soft as compared to steel and cast iron. It is less hard, right? It's a ductile, while cast iron, it is a brittle material, right? So what we can write, I am denoting machinability with symbol M. So machinability of iron is more as compared to steel as compared to cast iron. So in detail, if I have to include low and medium carbon steel, so machinability of iron is better as compared to low carbon steel. Further, with respect to medium carbon steel, then with respect to high carbon steel, with respect to cast iron. That means cast iron, it has poor machinability, while iron, it has the best machinability. Obviously out of this material which we are comparing, right? So this is what you have to remember. So hope you have understood how you can distinguish these different materials based on machinability. So hope you are finding these videos useful. In the next video, we are going to talk about weldability, that which material is easy to weld and which is more difficult. I think if you have understood the concept of machinability, you can easily get and also analyze the weldability among these different materials. Please try, or you can wait till the next video. Please do like, share and comment, and if you are new to my YouTube channel, please do subscribe. You can also join us on the Telegram channel. The link is given in the description box. Thank you for watching this video.